Next piece of news. This was a big one. You couldn't stop with all this morning. You came in here and it was just stock charts flying, crypto talk. And you're like, hey, what do you say, Lou? Should I get in on this or what? I was like, what happened to your voice? What do you say, Lou? I might have to get in on that one there.
It's just been smoking for 50 years instantly.
Well, you've been looking at all these charts. They're wiping you out.
Yeah, well, they're very interesting.
You're looking at all these charts and you're a shell of the man you used to be.
Well, I'm trying. I'm trying to understand it. It's kind of cool.
Coinbase makes everyone a cryptocurrency investor this morning. Big IPO, record IPO, $100 billion, $100 billion. I don't know if the valuation is still there because it kind of took a bit of a dip after, but this is the way these things go. The hype train, unbelievable steam. And look, it found a little support over there. This is not financial advice. It flattened out there at around $332.55 USD, around $320. Now, the original estimates were like $250. It shot all the way up to $424 USD. Willie Doo was like, sheesh. And I was like, no, don't worry. You'll get another shot. And so it came down and sitting there at 3. It's big, big news either way. Here's the thing. This is crypto for everyone. This is the traditional financial market shaking hands in a way with the crypto stuff that was still kind of over in its own thing. This is a way for the average person to invest in crypto without ever touching any crypto. Mm-hmm. Anybody who's into these stock trading apps, because Coinbase and Coinbase's profits and revenue is derived from transactions and transaction fees, which are in relationship to the value of crypto. So crypto big, Coinbase big.
Stocks, everyone.
It's not financial advice. No. And a lot of people have been resistant to the steps involved. Coinbase has made it easy to get into crypto. Mm-hmm. But there's something about this that I still think feels better for some investors. They're like, that's a real thing. Look at it. It's on the stock exchange.
Yeah, this kind of legitimizes it to a certain extent.
Would you look at that, Martha? You heard about this here crypto thing?
It's on the NASDAQ.
That's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like around the world right now. It's on the NASDAQ. Exactly. There's a kind of legitimizing factor to it.
Biggest IPO?
It's a big deal.
Yeah.
So, I mean, all kinds of people I was reading about that got into Coinbase early. And look, it's not going to be just smooth sailing. There's going to be ups and downs. You want to know something, Will? You want to know something?
What's that?
Stuff goes up, stuff goes down.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So, just keep that in mind. It's not going to, nothing is rosy all the time.
Sure.
It's not going to just be locked at that place. There's still volatility baked in there because there's volatility in crypto. Mm-hmm. And so, of course, it's going to also be in Coinbase. It's not a safe way to avoid that. But it is a type of exposure that's different. And I think, all in all, it is a major step for crypto in general to have this big-time exchange on the exchange.
Yeah, congratulations, Coinbase.
Oh, you got a personal relationship or what?
Yeah.
You part of the
made quite a few.
You part of the seed. You part of the seed round.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, early investor Willie Doo. I believe Willie Doo put $300,000 in, and turned it into $2.8 billion.
Sure. Yeah, I'm one of those guys.
That was you.
Yeah.
So congrats, not just to Coinbase. Congrats to Willie Doo.
Yeah, thanks.
It's not financial advice.